Hey guys, sorry I missed uploading this morning. I'm not sure if this is going up tonight or in the morning. I've been dealing with a super hot house. Like, I know I complain about the heat here, but my AC unit is totally down. It says it feels like 85 in my house right now. There's like no wind coming outside. It's like 88 outside. It says it feels like 92 and it is just so unbearable. Right now I have some lights on me and it's making it even more hot, so I'm probably gonna be a little bit quick. Luckily I agreed to babysit my neighbor's kids tonight, so for a couple hours I'll be in some air conditioning, but I guess they have to replace the entire unit and it won't be done for a couple days, so this is my reality. So I'll be looking a little shitty in my next few videos, I apologize. So I'm probably gonna make this one quick. Today I'm going to be unbagging the mystery bag by PUR. So PUR Cosmetics is a makeup brand if you haven't heard of them. I've gotten a mystery bag from them before. There's two options this time. There's an $18 option and you get $108 worth of products. You get 5 products in total, and that is what I got, and I have not opened it yet. I have no idea what I have here. And then there's a Deluxe Box where you get like limited edition items, like 7 of them I believe, and that one is more expensive. That's $40. So I went with the more affordable option, and I found a random coupon code. I think maybe using like Ebates or something like that. So I'll leave that below. And if you want to use that, I think I saved like a couple dollars, so it came out to be like $16 or something like that with shipping and everything. So that was cool. That was just a random find. So I think it was Jackie, like a name. So I don't know who Jackie is, but she must have a code with PUR. So I'll double check that, and if it still works, I'll put it in the description. But anyways, I love PUR Cosmetics. I'm super excited to see what's in here. The last time I got a mystery bag, I think this might actually be my 3rd time I got a mystery bag from them. But the last time I got, I think I got some My Little Pony stuff. That could have been the 1st time too. But I got like some glosses. Like, I liked pretty much everything. There's like maybe like one lippy I didn't love, but otherwise it was a good bag. So let's get unbagging. I asked on Instagram stories what you guys would rather see me do, because I got 5 boxes in the mail today, which is awesome. I love that. And I put, would you rather see a subscription box or the PUR mystery bag? And so far, the PUR mystery bag is winning, so that's why I decided to do this. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so, because I do love to post polls and get your opinion on what I should do. So the first thing I'm going to is a brush. I love brushes so much. This is a contour blending brush, and it comes in like a nice case. So I could use something like this. This is a little different than anything I have, I think. I seriously love brushes. I am awful about cleaning my brushes. Like, when was the last time you guys cleaned your brushes? For me, I don't even know. So this is nice. So, is there a cat behind me? Hey. I can see her in the viewfinder. Fiona, is it hot in here? Yeah, we're hot. Okay, I think there's, oh, a full size of their fully charged mascara. This is like a cult classic. People love this mascara. I had a sample size before, so I'm excited to get this now that I decided to be more economical and not continue with my falsies. Oh, I like how this feels. So this is awesome. This is a full size, and people rave about this. I can't really remember how I feel. I think I liked it. You know, I didn't have like strong opinions either way. I had like one of those minis, so I'm happy about it. It has magnetic technology, so that's awesome to get like one of their items that people love. It's not just the thing that people don't purchase. You know, sometimes I worry about that with mystery bags. Oh, a cream blush. I've never used a cream blush by PUR. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. And this is in the color Koi. It says, get gorgeous age-defying glow with pure mineral color formulated with the rarest resveratrol or something like that, harvested from Bordeaux's renowned wine chateau. So, ooh, that's why there's wine on the back. I love wine. So I'm gonna swatch it quick for you. So it's like a light peachy color. This could work on me. I usually stick with powders, especially when I'm sweating. Like, oh my god, my makeup probably looks so awful right now, you guys. I'm sorry. But apparently powder products stay on longer, but hopefully it'll cool down here soon. But I like this. I like that it's a lighter color. Sometimes it's like those really pinky ones, you know, you can't wear them too much. What's this? Eye polish? Oh, it's like an eye base plus a top coat. for your eyes with a silicone application tool. Cool. I've never heard of this PUR product. It's in caviar. Yeah, this is lifting my spirits up a little bit. When I heard that the ear wasn't getting fixed today or even tomorrow, I was like, come on. Sorry guys. This is packaged really well. Okay, so, oh, it kind of looks like caviar. Actually, I wouldn't even know what caviar looks like. I've never had it or even looked at it before. Let's see. So a base plus a top coat. So I bet like maybe things stick to it. Oh, this is cool. It's like a goldy color. I need to look more into this. Let's see what it says. And then there's a little silicone applicator, so that's cool. I've never had this before. Is it like a, because I've had their eye glitters before, but I'm gonna need to read this. It says, use PUR pigment eye polish as an iridescent crease-proof shadow primer or as the ultimate top coat layered on your favorite eye looks. There's another piece of paper. I'm just really curious like how it works as a top coat. It says make your eyes pop in a blink. Once you have a completed eye look, using an eyeshadow of your choice, gently pat eye polish on the center or outer corner of your eyes to enhance your look. Okay, so it's like a glitter, I think. So a base, you can use it alone or as a top coat. So I'm very intrigued. If you guys want to hear how I think about this, let me know. I'm super excited to try something new. Like, you know, there's not too many like new innovative products. I don't know if this is brand new to them either. Could it be something they've had for a while, but I'm super excited to try it. And then the last item is a lip gloss. And this is in Chateau Kisses. God, why are they making me think about wine when I have to go babysit? I can't drink wine before I babysit. Or it's in the color Foxy. So it must be like a line they have that's like made with Chateau, like this. The blush too has that line on it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So it's definitely not like that Bordeaux color I was thinking at first. It kind of goes with the blush, like the peachy color. So I know I don't have this. Let's see, does it have a scent? So this is the applicator, so like a typical little doe foot that's a little slanted. So this could be good for like an everyday gloss or as a topper. That's showing up well. Sorry, I don't have the lights very close to me because I didn't want to sweat too much. And I'm a little bit further from the camera as usual. But I think overall this is definitely worth $18, okay? Like, oh cute, there's a little lip print on there. I am probably the most excited about trying out this eye polish just because and the color of it seems really pretty too. I can see how it could add like a pop of color, but I'm most curious about how to use it as a base. I'm super excited that I got a brush. I love brushes, and this is a little different than the other brushes I have. And I think this would make a good contour brush too, so I'm super pumped about that. I can't believe we got one of their best sellers, the fully charged mascara. Like, this is probably worth what like $18, right? The gloss, like, I think this is pretty. I think this color looked good on me. It's not something I reach to all the time, but when I'm not on camera, I probably will wear it more. I'll see how it looks on camera too, but sometimes these don't show up as well. But I like this. In the blush, this is a color that could work for me. Like I said, I don't usually use cream blushes, but maybe in the cooler months, if we ever have those here, I will use it. But overall, I think this is definitely worth $18. Now, I don't know how the $40 bag is. I can't wait to see some videos. I haven't looked at anyone's videos because I didn't want any spoilers, and I haven't honestly seen any pop up yet because this just came on now. So they only have this for a limited time, so I will, like I said, I'll leave the link below, and hopefully that coupon code I found too is still active. I'm pretty positive it's Jackie, but I'll double check. I think I took a screenshot of it just in case I forgot, but just because today I've been like so hot and like with the maintenance person today, I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm glad I opened it. It's kind of lifted up my spirits a little bit. I'm sorry you had to put up with how I look today. I'll probably look a little sweaty in the next few days, hopefully not too much longer. But like I said, I have a bunch of new boxes I got today, and I'm so excited to get unboxing again on a regular schedule. And I'll probably put this up tonight, but if not, I'm sorry I missed a day. I am going to do my best to post daily, and just thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.